Number 1. 1974 Chevrolet SquareBody Pickup Original V8 6500 Tucson, Arizona. This 1974 Chevrolet SquareBody Pickup is a rare one-owner survivor that stands out for its exceptional originality. Finished in factory white with natural patina, the truck has never been repainted and reflects its Arizona history honestly. Power comes from the original General Motors 350 cubic inch V8, paired with an automatic transmission. Factory air conditioning, power steering, power brakes, dual fuel tanks, and a quadrajet carburetor add period-correct appeal. With a rust-free body, original interior, excellent glass, and documented ownership, this is an outstanding example for collectors who prioritize authenticity. Number 2. 1970 Ford F350 Wrecker with HOLMES bed, $11,500, Memphis, Tennessee. This 1970 Ford F350 Wrecker features a desirable HOLMES 440 towing bed and strong vintage commercial truck character. It is powered by a Ford 390 cubic inch V8 equipped with a performance camshaft and a 4-speed manual transmission. Recent mechanical work includes brakes, fuel system components, ignition parts, and new tires. While surface rust is present, the truck remains solid and runs well, making it an excellent candidate for collectors or enthusiasts seeking a functional classic tow rig. Number 3. 1969 Chevrolet C10 Inline 6, $17,500, Coachella Valley, California. This 1969 Chevrolet C10 is an honest survivor powered by its original inline 6-cylinder engine. It runs and drives well and retains attractive natural patina throughout. Originally equipped with factory air conditioning and a manual transmission, it has since been converted to an automatic. The solid wood bed and bed-mounted fuel tank enhance its vintage appeal, while minor rust is consistent with age. With matching vehicle identification numbers and a clean title, this truck is well suited for cruising or light restoration. Number 4. 1970 Chevrolet C20 Rebuilt V8, $19,500, Spokane, Washington. This 1970 Chevrolet C20 is a dependable heavy-duty classic pickup powered by a rebuilt 350 cubic inch V8 with a 4-barrel carburetor and manual transmission. It shows approximately 34,700 miles since the rebuild and includes over $7,000 in documented professional maintenance. Updates include new brakes, dual exhaust, heating system, tow package, and brand new tires. Garage kept and insured as a classic, this truck is ready for work, towing, or recreational use. Number 5. 1983 Chevrolet K20 SquareBody, $18,000, McMinnville, Oregon. This 1983 Chevrolet K20 Silverado SquareBody is a rust-free 4-wheel drive pickup featuring strong mechanical upgrades. It is powered by a fresh 350 cubic inch V8 paired with a rebuilt overdrive automatic transmission. Additional upgrades include a suspension lift, oversized tires, and an improved cooling system. The interior offers power windows, power locks, tilt steering, and a modern audio system. This K20 drives very well and blends classic square body styling with off-road capability. Number 6. 1987 Dodge W250, $18,500, Pacoima, California. This 1987 Dodge W250 is a low-mileage survivor showing just over 43,000 original miles. Equipped with a manual transmission and four-wheel drive, it represents traditional heavy-duty Dodge truck engineering. The long bed and unmodified condition enhance its value for collectors or buyers seeking a work-ready classic. Dodge trucks from this era continue to gain popularity, and this example remains solid and original throughout. Number 7. 1966 Chevrolet C10 Big Block, $25,000, Apache Junction, Arizona. This 1966 Chevrolet C10 long bed received a frame-off refurbishment completed between 2020 and 2021. Power comes from a refurbished 427 cubic inch big block V8 paired with an overdrive automatic transmission. Upgrades include disc brakes, power steering, modern air conditioning, new wiring, a refreshed interior, and a wood bed floor. Finished in an attractive two-tone color scheme, this truck represents a well-executed classic Restomod with strong performance. Number 8. 1968 Chevrolet C10 Long Bed Rat Rod, $24,950, Temecula, California. This 1968 Chevrolet C10 Long Bed is a reliable daily driver featuring distinctive green patina. It is powered by a replacement 350 cubic inch V8, an automatic transmission, and includes power steering, power disc brakes, an aluminum radiator, and numerous new mechanical components. The lowered stance improves handling and visual presence, while solid metal work ensures long-term durability. A clean California title adds peace of mind. Number 9. 1946 GMC Half-Ton Pickup, $29,000, Germantown, Wisconsin. This 1946 GMC Half-Ton Pickup has undergone a thorough mechanical restoration, including documented work on the engine, transmission, electrical system, and interior. It runs, drives, and stops properly and has been stored in a heated garage. Extensive paperwork and extra parts are included, making this an excellent example of early post-war American truck design. Number 10. 1950 Chevrolet Pickup, $27,500, Round Rock, Texas. This 1950 Chevrolet Pickup was restored with close attention to originality and period-correct details. It features a new inline 6-cylinder engine, 3-speed column shift manual transmission, turquoise paint, wood bed, baby moon wheels, and a vintage-style interior. Garage kept and regularly maintained, it has minimal mileage since restoration and offers a true classic driving experience. Number 11. 1957 Chevrolet Cameo Pickup, $28,500, Mission Hills, California. This original 1957 Chevrolet Cameo Pickup is a highly collectible model powered by a rebuilt 283 cubic inch V8 and 4-speed manual transmission. New drum brakes improve stopping performance, and the truck runs and drives well. With a clean title and correct mechanical updates, this Cameo remains a strong investment-grade classic truck. Number 12. 1950 Chevrolet 3600 3/4 ton pickup, $29,500, Danville, California. This 1950 Chevrolet 3600 Longbed represents an older restoration, retaining its original 216 cubic inch engine and 3-speed column shift manual transmission. Recently serviced, it runs strong and shows no significant rust. The paint, interior, wood bed, and trim remain in excellent condition. Rare factory wheels and vintage commercial plates further enhance its collector appeal. Number 13. 1937 Ford Flatbed Pickup, $30,000, Orcutt, California. This 1937 Ford Flatbed Pickup is an extremely rare first-year orchard truck. It retains its original drivetrain, including a rebuilt flathead V8 with fewer than 1,000 miles since overhaul. The truck is largely rust-free, fully functional, and includes historical memorabilia. With documented California history, this is a highly collectible early Ford commercial vehicle.